What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So let's take a look at Tesla's chart. I'm going to do a analysis on it, looking at the chart with a blank canvas, basically. So let's go over what I would look at first. I want to first look at the dominant technical pattern. Is it trending up? Is it trending down? Is it range bound? Well, overall, for the past, maybe let's say almost 2 years now, it's mostly just trading sideways. So we can draw a range pattern. Let's see if we can find the consistent highs, which is right around here at the 270 level, and consistent lows, I would say it's right around the 167 level. So about $100 range, and there are trends within the range. Market is fractal-ish, so even within the small trends, there are ranges within the trends. So again, it just depends which perspective and time frame you're looking at. So overall, just sideways for the past couple of years. Same price action as in basically October of 2022. Even if you go back to December of 2020. So this December will be 4 years at price being at the same level. So if you held on for 4 years, you basically lost money due to inflation. So let's take a look at the chart. So basically just sideways. The past 4 earnings have been missed. So there's a good chance that the next one coming up might also be a miss in 36 days. It looks like sometime in mid-October. The price action is telling me that there is a upward bias to this because we have this upward slope and trend line. You see that price is being supported by it. And there was a downward sloping trend line, but price did break it. And then it looks like it back tested it for support. So you can see that there was a downward sloping trend line. Price broke it. The bulls were able to push through it. Bears came back down to test it. Now we're seeing price rally higher. So that tells me we could probably see another similar size leg up as we did over here. This is one leg right here. This is the second leg. And that takes price right up to the 249 level. And that's probably going to be a gap fill. There's an empty space on the chart right here. And there's a good chance that the price is coming back up to fill in this gap right here. So I'm looking for the 250 level and potentially maybe the top of the range at the 271. Is it guaranteed we get up there? No, it's not. Is it guaranteed we even get up to the 250? No, it's not. But that's where it looks like the bulls are headed. And that's what you want to focus on. Looks like that's where the price is headed. And there's a good chance they can get up there because there are some targets that the bulls are trying to reach. The gap and the measure move target. Or just make an impulse the same size as it was before, which is the measure move target. So overall, still looks pretty good to the upside. In the short term, we'll see what happens from there. So as of right now, I would say it's likely that we see higher prices. There's a little bit of resistance at the 234 level, but with this upward bias, there's a good chance the bulls can break through it. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart shows that Tesla had a very large move up higher, a very large drop, and now it's just consolidating for the most part. There is a bullish trend line in play, and at the same time, there was this bearish trend line in play, but price did break it, and then it also back tested it for support. So it looks pretty good. This week is looking pretty bullish. Price is staying above the trend lines. There's room to the upside. So I'm looking for the 250, 270, and maybe even a breakout of that range. Let's take a look at that. That would take price right up to the 336 level. So again, it's bullish in the short term, and we'll see how that leads to the long term. But long term is also looking pretty good as well. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily and weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update sometime soon. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.